Welcome students. In this video we will learn about third angle projection. So this is the arrangement for third angle, right? So we can see horizontal plane and vertical plane. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, and now we are in third quadrant. Our object is lying in the third quadrant. So with respect to these quadrants, so our front view is from the right hand side with respect to these quadrants. So front view is drawn on VP, top view is drawn on HP, and side view is drawn on profile plane, right? So as you see from this side, front side, so this left hand side view is drawn on the profile plane on left hand side, front view is drawn on VP, and top view is drawn on HP. As we know that to achieve two-dimensional views, multi-views of this object on drawing sheet, we are to rotate this HP clockwise. So if we rotate HP for third angle, this HP goes over here and it becomes parallel to VP. So it means this HP rotates about XY line and it becomes parallel to VP over here. So in this top view shifts from here to here on above XY line. So if we say this is XY line, so for same object, this is the top view of the object lying above XY line. So below this top view there will be front view of the object lying exactly below the top view. We have front view. Like this. Top view and front view. So in third angle projection, top view lies above XY line, front view lies below XY line. Now here we can see we have a profile plane. On this we have drawn the left side view. So this profile plane, when it is moved, rotated about this line, so it becomes in line with front view. So now we are shifting all the dimensions from top view over here to draw the side view. For this we require a 45-degree angle. Now this is the left side view of our object. Similarly, we can draw the right hand side view. So this is right hand side view. You have to just remember that top view is drawn above XY line, front view is drawn below XY line. On left hand side we have left side view, on right hand side we have right side view for third angle projection. So these are the main views that we draw: top view, front view, and either of the side views, or as per the requirement. So the bottom view may be drawn below front view, and rear view may be drawn on the right side view. So this is for just for the arrangement of different views in third angle. How we actually draw the projection of solids or projection of object, 3D object, that we'll do in the next lectures. But here you should remember this: the arrangement of the different views with respect to xy line for third angle projection. One thing more, that in third angle projection, the main or the basic principle of third angle projection is that this plane of projection, take any, let us say we have VP. So plane of projection lies between observer and the object. So here we have the observer, here we have the plane, then we have the object. So it means first we draw the projection, or first we see the projection, after that the object is visible. Okay. So it means the image is drawn on the same side of the object, right? So observer is seeing the object from this side, so front view appears on the vertical plane. Observer sees from top view appears on the horizontal plane. Observer sees from the left hand side, and it appears, the left hand side view appears on the profile plane on left hand side. Okay. So the projection of plane is always between observer and the object. So it means the name of the view gives us the position of the view according to front view. So whenever we have top view, it is name is top, so it is drawn on the top of front view for third angle projection. The name of view is right side view, so it is drawn on the right hand side of the front view. Name of the view is left hand side view, is drawn on the left hand side of front view. And for bottom view, it is drawn on the bottom of front view. Okay. So rear view, let us say we draw the rear view over here. So this is our rear view. Okay. So if we want to differentiate in first angle and third angle projection, so we should know the basic principle, because in first angle, first we see the object, then we see the plane of projection. Okay. First we see the object, then we see the plane of projection. It means the image or the projection is drawn on the other side of the object as seen by the observer. It means it is totally opposite of the third angle projection or first angle projection. The difference between first angle projection and third angle projection, that we will cover in next video. Students, one more thing is there, that this is a symbol for third angle projection, which is the projection of a frustum of cone. So frustum of cone means there are two circles which are visible to us. So these two circles are visible if we see from this direction. Okay. So this is frustum of cone, inverted bucket. So when we place this frustum of cone horizontally, so this is the front view of this frustum of cone. Okay. If we see the side view or left hand side view, so we can see, now we shift this like this, so we can see both the circles. So both the lines are drawn thick. Okay, it means both the base circles are visible from left hand side, and this is drawn on left hand side itself, so it is third angle projection. Thank you, students.